This is the most magnificent thing about the Torah is the first 5 books of the Bible, as you and I know. And the Torah is Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. If you look at the Torah, the very first words in Genesis, in the beginning, it's Bereshit is the way it's said in Hebrew. The last letter, Bereshit, is Tav, okay? Now, Tav is the first letter in Torah. If you go every 50 letters in the book of Genesis, you will get the spelling of Torah. If you go to Exodus, if you go every 50 letters, you get the spelling of Torah. If you skip Leviticus and go to Numbers, you go every 49 letters and you get Torah spelled backwards. And if you go to Deuteronomy, every 49 letters, you get Torah spelled backwards. Why? They're both pointing to Leviticus. In Leviticus, every 7 letters, you will get the spelling of Yahweh. YHVH. Okay, but let's sweeten the deal. If you look at the Old Testament was written by several different writers living over the course of 1,100 years. These writers made predictions about the coming Messiah. Jesus comes along and fulfills every single one of the 300 predictions. What are the chances any human being on earth could fulfill just 8 of those prophecies? They said the chances of any human being on earth from the time of Jesus till the end of the 20th century of fulfilling those 8 prophecies is 1 in 10 to the 17th power. So he said, if you take a silver dollar, which is about that big, if you have 10 to the 17th silver dollars, you have no place on earth to store them. You have to just spread them out in the ground. And if you have that many silver dollars, you will cover the entire state of Texas 2 feet deep with silver dollars. Gather all those silver dollars, mark one of them, shuffle them all up, distribute them over the entire state of Texas, blindfold a guy in Oklahoma, put him on a helicopter, start flying over the state of Texas. The state of Texas, it takes 17 hours to drive through. Fly over the state of Texas. At any time he says let down, the guy gets out, he's still blindfolded, right? He picks 1 silver dollar. Chances of picking out that 1 silver dollar is the chances that any human being could fulfill these 8 prophecies over 2,000 years. And Jesus didn't fulfill 8, he fulfilled all 300.